Join me as I dive into the latest Gyre stock market updates and challenge myself to predict what's next for these stocks. As we navigate the complexities of today's financial landscape, it's crucial to stay informed about the key players that shape the market. One such player is the Gyre stock market, which has been making waves with its recent performance. And that's exactly why this update is so crucial for investors, to help you make informed decisions that maximize your returns. Volatility has been a major concern for investors in recent months, with market fluctuations making it challenging to predict which way the wind will blow. Furthermore, economic indicators such as GDP growth and inflation rates have been causing concern among investors, leading to a sense of uncertainty in the air. Add to that the ongoing trade tensions and geopolitical instability, and it's no wonder that investors are on high alert. As a result, many are adopting a wait-and-see approach, hesitant to make any major moves in the market. However, this caution may be justified, given the unpredictable nature of the current market landscape. Considering the Gyre stock market's recent performance, it's no surprise that investors are closely watching its every move. With market analysts predicting a potential correction on the horizon, investors are weighing their options carefully, trying to gauge whether the Gyre stock market will continue to rise or if it's due for a pullback. Amidst all this uncertainty, one thing is clear: staying informed is key to making smart investment decisions. By staying on top of market trends and analysis, investors can ensure they're ahead of the curve, rather than getting caught off guard. In terms of recent news, the Gyre stock market has been making headlines with its impressive gains in the technology sector. Experts are attributing this growth to the increasing adoption of emerging technologies such as AI and blockchain. Furthermore, historical comparisons suggest that the Gyre stock market is following a similar pattern to previous bull runs, which has some analysts predicting a continued upswing in the near future. However, others are sounding the alarm, warning of a potential bubble that could burst at any moment. When we examine the Gyre stock market's performance in the context of the broader economic landscape, some interesting patterns emerge. For instance, many experts believe that the current economic expansion is nearing its peak, which could have significant implications for the stock market. Similarly, the ongoing trade tensions are causing a ripple effect throughout the global economy, making it challenging to predict how the Gyre stock market will react in the long term. However, by analyzing these factors and staying on top of market trends, we can gain valuable insights into what the future may hold. In my opinion, the key takeaway from these developments is that the Gyre stock market is at a critical juncture. With the bulls and bears locked in a fierce battle, it's anyone's guess which way the market will swing next. However, by staying informed and analyzing the data, I believe we can make some educated predictions about what's to come. And that's exactly what I'll be doing in the coming weeks and months, providing you with the insights and analysis you need to stay ahead of the curve. In summary, the Gyre stock market update is a crucial piece of the puzzle for investors seeking to navigate the complexities of today's financial landscape. By staying informed and up to date on the latest market trends and analysis, you can ensure you're making informed decisions that maximize your returns. Remember to stay tuned to my channel for more insights and updates on the Gyre stock market, and don't forget to check out my previous video on investment strategies for some valuable tips on how to protect your portfolio. Thanks for watching, and I'd love to hear your thoughts on the Gyre stock market in the comments section below. What do you think will happen next, and how are you positioning your portfolio for the future? Let me know in the comments.